my channel. I'm Jesenia, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the 2018 Young Living Premium Starter Kit and everything that it comes with it. If you haven't already known, I'm just newly engaged, so I signed up my fiance Devin. So I signed him up and he's on my team, so this is his order, and I'm going to show you guys what's in it because it's the new 2018 and there's just some things that are a little bit different. So let's get right into it. The lighting might change just because it's monsoon season and it's been cloudy all week. But let's get right into the box. I haven't opened it yet, just for this video. I'm so excited to show you guys what is in the kit, and it is just awesome. So this is just gonna show you how much you paid for the kit and everything. That's just like your invoice. So let's dive right in. Young Living gives you the option now to get the Dewdrop diffuser, which is the one that I have from my previous premium starter kit. But now you could get the Dewdrop or the Desert Mist. And how can I not get the Desert Mist diffuser when I live in Arizona? I literally live in the desert. So I picked the Desert Mist diffuser this time, and I'm so excited to show you guys. It is so aesthetically cute, and it also has different colors settings. So it also flickers, which is really cool about this diffuser. Those are the directions. So let's open up this baby. I'm excited to have a diffuser that has different settings. The Desert Mist diffuser, it's bigger than the Dewdrop, and this is where you would put the essential oils in right there. And I will show a clip in with it with water and the different colors that it does. So that is the Dewdrop diffuser, and it says Young Living on the bottom. And actually my Young Living is off on my other diffuser. So that is the Desert Mist diffuser. And it's just so aesthetically cute. And I want to get a diffuser for like every room and two for my living room, because I have a big living room, like my kitchen and living room is like put together, so it's a huge space. You're gonna have, this is where all your oils and everything else is going to be in. And you also get a lot of information with Young Living. You're gonna get the essential oils, Seed to Seal, a Natural Legacy magazine that is gonna tell you all about Young Living, different things like that. And then you're gonna get the 2018 product guide, which is huge, and it just tells you everything that Young Living has. Shiva. I'm just gonna tell you everything that they have, all the products they sell. So I'm pretty excited because I don't have the 2018 guide, and it's gonna have everything that is in there for the products for this year. Open up your oils that you're gonna get with the kit, with your premium starter kit. And we're gonna open this up. I'm so excited because all my oils from my other kit are gone. So this is just gonna show you what the kit contains, a list of that. And then you are just going to open it up like that. It's magnetic. And here's the box. Just opens like this, and you get 10 Young Living essential oils. You get 5 vitality oils and 5 regular oils. The vitality oils is FDA approved. The label's FDA approved that you can ingest the oils. And then you also have this slit in here. So this is how it opens. So right here you just have all about Young Living, and if you want to order throughout the mail, anything else that you want to get. So that's what you'll get. And this little booklet slit right here. So let's take out the oils here. So the first oil that you're gonna get is Lemon Vitality Oil, which I use a lot. I use lemon, I put the Vitality drops in my water, and Devin does as well. And then you have Copaiba oil, which is really good for supporting, like if you have any type of joint pain or muscle pain. Then you have Digest, and the Digest is simply put, Digest, it's for digestion, to help your digestion system. And I I've actually been using that this week, but usually I don't like have stomach issues, but I've been eating certain foods that haven't been good for my stomach, so I've been applying it and taking a drop of it. It's really strong because it does have fennel essential oil in it, so definitely like dilute it or be careful if you take a drop, but it definitely helped immediately. Next up we have Thieves, which Thieves is so amazing. It helps boost your immune system, support your immune system. I like to put Thieves under my feet. I love cleaning with Thieves. I clean my whole house with Thieves. Young Living has a household cleaner, which you definitely should go buy. It's 20 bucks, and you just use 1 capful of it and dilute it with water, and it lasts a really long time. So I use Thieves to mop my floors, my bathrooms, clean my sinks, literally everything I use with Thieves. So Thieves is so great. It's so great for animals. It's safe for animals, safe for kids. It's just an amazing oil that could do has a ton of benefits. Then you have your peppermint oil, which I've been also using frequently. I've been using it as a cooling spray that I made in my summer Young Living recipes, and I dilute it with some water and I just spray it on my body with lavender. It's so nice for the summer, especially since I live in Arizona and it's so hot. It's like always 100 or 115 degrees in between that. So I brew that peppermint. It's so great for like, I mix it with a like coconut oil and rub it on my neck and shoulders. I'm a college student, so I'm carrying like 3 bags with me constantly, so my shoulders are always in pain. So peppermint is really useful, and it also supports if you have like nausea or anything. Then you have Pan Away, which will have a child lock on because it's really strong and you don't want your kids getting into that. So that's also really great for supporting your joints and muscles. I use that usually when I'm working out. And then we have Raven, and Raven is a new oil that was swapped out with RC. RC is for supporting your respiratory system, and so is Raven. So this also has a child lock because it's really strong, a really strong oil. So that was swapped out for that. And then we have Citrus Fresh. I'm not sure what oil, maybe orange. I'm not sure what oil it was switched with, but this oil is so amazing. I've never smelled this one before. It literally just smells like oranges. It smells so good. I cannot wait to diffuse this in my home. Citrus, it has orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, and mandarin orange. So it has like literally all the citruses in this oil. That's why it's called Citrus Fresh, and it smells so amazing. I cannot wait. That's an oil that I'll probably be cleaning a lot. I'm gonna like find different cleaning recipes for that. Then you have frankincense, which is my favorite oil to use for grounding as well as supporting like my meditation practice. It just has this beautiful incense smell. It's very like ancient. Look it up. It's just a really good, it's really good for like your meditation practice, but you could diffuse it as well. It just has a really distinct scent. And then the last oil that you have is lavender, which is usually a well-known essential oil, and it's really good for supporting sleep and helping you feel calm. Those are the 10 oils that you get with your premium starter kit. It's a $300 value kit for $160, not including tax. But this is so great that you get all these oils. I prefer, getting the kit because frankincense itself is pretty pricey in that area. And just also getting the Citrus Fresh and Thieves. Thieves is another pricey oil, so it's really worth it to get the kit. And then the diffuser itself is $80 retail price, wholesale price. And then here's the buttons to turn it on and to change the lighting. I really cannot wait to turn this essential oil diffuser on. It's not just the oils that you get. You open this slit right here and you get a bunch of other things as well. So let's dive right into that. You also get a bonus oil, which is Stress Away. Stress Away is my absolute favorite oil. Another more higher priced oil, so you're really getting the great deal with the premium starter kit. I just love Stress Away. It has vanilla in it, which is not an essential oil, but it has a hint of vanilla in it, mixed with other things. Let's see if I can peel this tab off with my nail. It has balsam copaiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, oca tea, and lavender oil. So those are your oils, and it's just, I'm telling you, if you get one oil, get stress away first. And obviously it says stress away, it's supporting stress, which I'm constantly stressed. So this is definitely my baby. This is my baby, my oil, my baby. This is my bae. Bae is stress away. Then you also get 10 sample bottles, and they're in amber glass. So you want cobalt blue or amber glass to put all your oils in. You don't want to use plastic because they'll seep through. The chemicals from plastic will seep, and essential oils just don't work as great because they are pure, authentic, 100% oils. Next up, you get a sample of the household cleaner. I love that they put this sample in. Instead of giving you, they would give you samples of Peace and Calming, Lavender Thieves, I believe, and Peppermint. They would give you like little samples that you could give to somebody. So they swapped those samples out for the household cleaner. So this is the single-use pack. It's ultra concentrated, so that's why you could dilute it. And this feels about 2 or 3 capfuls. So this will last you for a really long time. You dilute it with a glass amber bottle. I'll grab my Thieves amber glass bottle. This is what I put the household cleaner in. I bought these on Amazon, and I just put the label Thieves Spray, and I fill up the whole thing with water and 1 capful, and I shake it, and this lasts me for a good amount of time. I love this household cleaner. The ingredients are pure plant-based and vegan friendly. Great. It's the whole bottle itself is $20, so I definitely recommend getting this household cleaner. It also has essential oils in it because it is the Thieves line. So it's clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. I think I've said all the oils. So the oils that are in that, and they have a whole Thieves cleaning line. And then you get these business cards that say that have the different oils in it, and just tells you a little bit about the oil and how to diffuse it and stuff. And you can, you know, give those away to people, and they have these little holes in them right here that you could pop in the little sample bottles. So those are really good. I've given those away to my massage clients for like the holidays. And then also as a part of the kit, you get a roller on, and then you get a cap because it's a different size, so that you can roll on the oils and you could dilute it however you want, because the higher priced oils, you want to dilute them to make them last longer. So you could do that. And then lastly, you get the Ninja Red. Woo! Love this. So you're probably wondering, what the heck is Ninja Red? Ninja Red is from wolfberries. It's wolfberries, or some people say goji berries, but goji berries and wolfberries, they're a little bit, have 2 different species names, but they're pretty much very similar. They're berries, and they're high in antioxidants known to man from my knowledge. But this Ninja Red is so delicious, and why it's called Ninja Red and not just wolfberries, it's because it also has essential oils in them. It has vanilla extract in it, it has grape seed extract, orange peel oil, citrus oil, lemon oil, tangerine oil, which are all good with supporting your immune system. This drink is gonna support your immune system. And the Ninja Red Wolfberry, which is the Lycium barbarum, whole fruit puree, and it has blueberry fruit juice in it, plum fruit juice, sweet cherry. It just has a bunch of delicious ingredients. It's only 5 grams of sugar in this packet, and it's so delicious, and it's just really great. Don't throw these away if you're like, oh my goodness, what is this weird stuff? Because before I was, you know, joined Young Living, I was like, what's that weird drink that they drink and blah blah blah, it's so weird. It is so good. I really love this drink, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna go put these in the fridge. You could chill them or drink them however you want, and this is what the wolfberries will look like. So again, it's high in antioxidants. One of the highest antioxidants known to man. if you've heard the trend of like the goji berries. So that is everything that you get into your kit with the 10 oils. You get the diffuser, and you get to choose the dewdrop or the desert mist, and then you get the samples and all that kind of stuff, and you get the spots, and you get the product guide, which is not for free. The product guide usually comes with it. The only thing that is missing, usually they give essential news. They might have not did it this month, but they will usually give you the newsletter of the month. The last one was about Gary Young, because unfortunately Gary Young did pass away in May, and it's really sad. But that is everything that you're gonna get in your kit. If you have any questions, DM me, Facebook message me, email me. All my contact information will be down below. As well, check out my videos on the Young Living Convention. I just went to the Young Living 2018 Freedom Convention. It was really amazing. What's really great about the kit, you could just get the kit and never buy anything else if you don't want to buy anything, or you could be part of Essential Rewards, which I'm on. You get points every month for the products that you buy. As well, if you spend up to $100 PV, you get a free oil every single month. So I love free stuff. I'm all about it. And I love my Essential Reward points, so I can save them and buy whatever it is that I want or need. And it's great because even if you're part of the Essential Rewards, you can cancel anytime, and it's really simple, easy. It's not like you have to stay a member if a situation happens, or if you don't want to stay a member. But I'm a member. I love it. I love my team. And remember, if you are interested, definitely, let me know, because all the Young Living teams are different. And if you join my team, you get free about $1,000 worth of education. I forget how much, it's a lot, but you get a lot of education. That is part of my team, and there's a lot of different people that do freebies and stuff, and it's really great. And I get to be your coach for a year. So all teams are different, just know that. So if you want to be part of my team and get our benefits from that, definitely contact me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Bye, guys. Hi guys, I'm Jesenia, and welcome back to my channel. And this is my new fiance, Devin.